Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and as always, I am excited to bring you another Smart Doll box opening. I am smitten with these Smart Dolls. They are so beautiful, so much fun. This is my Never Say Never Addams, and I recently did a collab with, I think there were 5, 6, or 7 of us, I can't remember. But I do have that video on the oversized sweatshirt. Isn't this cute? I found him at Dollar General, and we're looking for more of them because that is just too cute. It's for your wrist. Oh, I opened this upside down. Oh, well, that's okay. I have my handy dandy scissors, box opening scissors from my son. And I've gotten used to using them, and I rather like them. All right. These are nice. Oh, you know what? I think is that glue? No. Okay. I didn't say I was good at it. I said I like scissors. Yeah. There we go. These boxes are so thick and nice. I mean, don't throw them away. If you don't have a cat and you're throwing this away, give it to somebody with a cat. I'm telling you, they're just too nice to throw away. I have a stack of them upstairs. Okay, these come Smart Dolls. If you have never seen an opening before, I do save the boxes. Smart Dolls come with a very high-end, thick, what is this called? Canvas bag, and it's really cute. Be seen with Smart Doll. Love that. Inside is a box, another nice box that opens. This is a great place to, oh, you bought me boobs?
I did.
Oh, thank you. I wish you'd get me some for me.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. The box that these items come in are very nice to save. You could store it well, I couldn't, and once you get into it, you're gonna need a bigger container. But if you're just getting into Smart Dolls, wonderful place to store like shoes and clothes and accessories. You also get a stand. I love these stands. There's a port I'll show you in the back of the doll. This is your care sheet. Some of it's comical. Your wig comes in there, and evidently your boobs do if you get extra. What size did you get? Oh, you got the athletic ones?
Yeah, the new adventurer ones.
Oh, new adventure boobs.
Well, you're always sewing for different ones, so
I am.
So
yeah,
if you I think you have just about every. I think you have all the different.
I think I do all the different boobs that they offer.
From boobalicious down to small.
Yep. These wigs are very, very nice wigs. And what I do is I put all this back in the bag and in the box. And that way, should I change a doll's wig, oh gosh, that's gorgeous. That is more auburn. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, love it. And then after I take my stand out, I also put that right back in this box. And we'll take a look at these boobs. Let's see. Oh yeah, tea. I got this doll in tea. It's my favorite, probably because it's, well, not in the winter, but in the summer, I am usually darker. But these have a more athletic shape about them. Okay, let's fool around no longer and show you who I did get. Oh gosh. I saw this doll months ago. Look how nice these dolls are wrapped. They have a specialty tube of bubble wrap, which I also saved in the box, and I put that all upstairs in storage. And then they have a plastic shield, which is also a tube that they come in. I saw this doll months ago, and I really liked her, but I was buying so many at the time, and she wasn't at the top of the list, and I thought, oh, I'll get her next time. This is North, and she came from the East, Japan. Deron said that when he brought her in. he went out and met the truck driver and signed for her and everything. And he came in and said, "North is here from the east," which I thought was really cute. When I saw this doll, I gotta tell you, she was another one. I mean, the moment I laid eyes on her, I knew what I would do with or for her. I think she has a side part, so I need to move this over a little bit. Move it over, sweetie. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. I'll have to look up her wig, because I do want to do it right. Oh God, she's so beautiful. These dolls, the reason I am so in love with these dolls, I've not seen any like them. I mean, they have the old-fashioned Barbie click, and I love that, but there's a frame inside this doll with an actual spine, and there are vinyl pieces over it. When you dress them, you can easily yank their arms off and you put them back in, and you know you're on target by the confidence click. Isn't that cool? And their heads come off easily. I don't like to take a doll apart to dress them, but sometimes you have to. And same with the hands and feet. They come off easily and they go back on correct and in an easy manner without pinching your fingers, without tearing you up with hooks and crooks and all that kind of stuff. What I saw in this doll, and once you see it, you're gonna laugh. If you are older, like I am, when I was a little girl, I used to watch, I used to watch Dick Tracy. Hear the click? Love those clicks. I used to watch a cartoon series called Dick Tracy on after school. It was on after school. And he was like Inspector Gadget was based on Dick Tracy, had all the cool stuff. And one thing Dick Tracy had, and that's another story, remember the watch?
Yeah, I was thinking of that just as you were talking.
I want, and I know iPhone has one, but not the kind like Dick Tracy. Oh, what are you doing here, baby girl?
The telephone watch is where she's headed.
Yep, telephone watch back in the 1960s, early 1960s. I don't have her standing right, but we'll get it in a minute. She reminded me of the Dick Tracy. I'm gonna pull this back out and show her. Smells good. Smells like a new doll. The Dick Tracy characters, and what I want her to wear is. So this is what I saw when I looked at this doll on the site. She's got her hand on the belt ready to pull it open at the husband's office for lunch. What does she have underneath this? Who knows? Maybe nada. I do need to iron the coat, and I'd like to change the buttons. We've been busy with Winterfest. We just did an announcement video, in case you missed it, about the Smart Doll Winterfest coming up. You will definitely be seeing North there. Oh my God, you know what? I'm in love with her. She's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. She needs a 1950, late 50-ish, early 60 A-line miniskirt, which I happen to make, and a little sweater to go with it. She needs 1960 pumps. Oh, I love this doll. She is amazing. Thank you, Deron, and thank you for the extra surprise. Please leave a like, a comment. Oh, wait. I didn't just buy her one color. I also got her this one. And I have another one that is black and white, like checkered, which I thought was cute. This one, is this one longer? No, I wish they were just a little longer. I wasn't gonna buy this doll, I started to tell you. And I kind of put her on hold. And we walked into Walmart, and I'm walking along, and they had trench coats in my size. And I said, it's a divine intervention. God wants me to get that doll. So we did. But I had bought these two coats, 3 coats. Did I go like this? 3? I meant 3. I'm excited about this doll. Oh my goodness. I had bought these coats shortly after we saw her and she sold. I thought, well, I'm gonna be ready when she comes up again. And I waited and I waited and I waited. And my point is, if you see a Smart Doll on Danny Chu's site, on the Japan Culture site, Culture Japan, that's what it is, Culture Japan site, you better buy it, because sometimes when they're gone, they don't show up. I'm waiting for one that I haven't ever seen come up. I just saw somebody had her and I went to look, and that's been quite some time. If you see them, buy them if you can, after your bills are paid. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe.
Now she needs a watch.
She does. And she needs it to have that little screen on it.
Yeah, of course. Little TV
course.
screen.